We have used one-way and two-way selection statements to check if one condition is true. Sometimes we need to check multiple conditions. For example, if the temperature is greater than 75, we turn on the AC. If the temperature is less than 70, we turn on the heat. Otherwise, we leave the thermostat alone. We could write nested if statements to do this, or we can use a multi-selection statement. A multi-selection statement is a statement that selects a single action from 3 or more conditional statements based on which Boolean expression is true. In Java, we write multi-selection statements using if, else if, else. We can specify the outcomes we want to happen and their conditions so our programs can make these decisions for us. Let's say we want to check if a number was positive, negative, or 0. We can use a multi-selection statement to check each of these conditions. First, we start with the if statement. Our condition will check if a number is less than 0. If it is less than 0, we'll print number is negative. To check the next condition, we add an else if statement. This condition will check if a number is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, we'll print number is positive. Then we add the else statement. This will print number is 0, because none of the conditions were true. Now we have 3 different outcomes that can occur depending on which condition is true. With a multi-selection statement, each condition is checked from the top down. If the first condition is true, its block of code is executed and the rest of the conditions are ignored. If the first condition is false, the second condition is evaluated. If it is true, its block of code is executed. If none of the conditions are true, then the final else statement will be executed. You can have as many else-if statements as you need for a program. Multi-selection statements are useful when we need to check multiple conditions to determine the specific task we want to execute. They simplify our code, making it easier to read and maintain.